Welcome to the farm. Let's learn about all the animals together. Roosters are like nature's alarm clocks. They crow early in the morning to wake everyone up on the farm. Roosters are great protectors. They will watch over their hens and warn them if they sense any danger nearby, like a fox or a hawk. Sheep are fluffy and their woolly coats keep them warm in cold weather, just like wearing a cozy sweater all the time. Sheep love to munch on grass and can eat a lot in one day. Farm cats are excellent hunters. They help keep the barn free from mice and other small pests that might try to nibble on the farm's crops. Farm cats are great climbers and love to explore. They can climb up trees, fences, and even hop onto hay bales to get a better view of the farm. Rabbits are expert hoppers. They have strong hind legs that allow them to jump and hop around with ease. Rabbits have long ears that help them hear even the tiniest sounds. Their big, expressive eyes allow them to see almost everything around them. Pigs have a great sense of smell. They can sniff out delicious treats from far away, even buried under the ground. Pigs have amazing memories and can remember things for a long, long time. Cows are really thirsty, and they drink lots of water every day. On farms, you might see big piles of hay. That's food for the cows to eat later when they're hungry. Horses have a unique way of sleeping. They can rest both standing up and lying down. Horses use their ears, eyes, and body language to express their feelings. Ducks are expert divers. They can dive underwater to find tasty fish and insects to eat. Did you know that ducks have waterproof feathers? Goats are excellent climbers. They love to jump and climb on rocks, stumps, and even hay bales. Did you know that goats have rectangular-shaped pupils in their eyes? This unique feature helps them see better in different directions. Dogs are excellent guards on the farm. They keep an eye out for any intruders or wild animals that might come too close. Some dogs are natural herders. They might help gather the sheep or cows and guide them back to the barn. I hope you've learned something new and had a lot of fun getting to know the animals on the farm. Remember, the farm is a place full of exciting adventures and wonderful friends. Keep exploring and learning about the amazing world of animals. See you next time!